Hey, I'm Danny De Silves, and if you want to get more followers for your Instagram, then stick around and I'll tell you the 3 best ways to take your Instagram to the next level. And make sure you do stick around until the end, because I don't think you've heard about the last trick that I have hidden up my sleeve. So let's get right into number 1. And this may seem pretty obvious, but you need to be using winning hashtags. And I don't literally mean hashtag winning, I mean hashtags that are proven to attract new followers. So this is absolutely vital for people to find your posts. And there are 2 ways that you can approach this. The first is to simply use the overall 30 best hashtags that attract the most amount of likes. What I like to do is check out the hashtag list on Influencers Plus and copy and paste the top 30. But if you really want to get followers who are interested and love your content, then you can sign up to their website and they will analyze your whole Instagram profile and page and give you winning hashtags that are customized just for you. So if you are interested in that, I'm going to leave a link to their website down in the description bar below. So I definitely recommend you checking those out. Tip number 2. Get shoutouts on similar Instagram accounts to yours. So a shoutout, it's easy. It's just where someone tags your account in one of their posts or they mention your account in a caption. And it's a really, really amazing way to get new followers that will be interested in what you are posting. Now, to get someone to give you a shoutout, you can simply pay for the service, which is what a lot of people do. But what I like to do is just message a few similar accounts who have a bit more followers than what I do and ask them to do a shout out and exchange, so we can both tag each other in our posts, like a kind of free exchanging process. And another free way to get shout outs is by contacting content aggregators. These are people that don't post their own content, they post purely other people's content. So you can either message them directly through the Instagram inbox, or you can tag them in your post to draw attention, and they will get back in touch with you, I promise. You probably didn't know, but out there right now, there are huge content aggregator profiles that have thousands of followers and they're always looking for new content. So I'm going to post down in the description bar below some of my favorites. So if you have something worth sharing, definitely let them know. And the last tip for today is something that I never thought would actually work. And it's a trick I heard online. And I gotta say, I was pretty surprised when I first heard about it, but it works. And here it is. Are you ready? The trick is to find 10 or 20 of the biggest Instagram accounts and follow them. That's it. And then give it a minute and you will notice all of a sudden you have a bunch of new followers. And I know it sounds pretty strange, but these accounts are so huge and popular that they have thousands of people checking out their list of followers consistently. And just simply showing up at the top of that list will be enough for people to find you and follow your account. And if they love your stuff, they will become amazing quality fans and followers. It really works, so give it a try. And it's something that you can do over and over again by unfollowing and refollowing people. And just like the other tips, I'm going to leave a link in the description bar below this video of the biggest Instagram accounts that you can start following. So there you have it, the 3 best tricks that I know to grow your Instagram account. So what do you think? Is there something here that I've missed? Let me know. How do you grow your Instagram account? What's working for you right now? Leave a comment in the comment bar below and I can't wait to read your replies.